G'day, it's Tony from GME. In this video, we're going to cover the key differences between our two brand new XRS Connect mobile UHF CB radios, the XRS-335 and XRS-375, to help you decide which model is right for you. So instead of me just talking about it, I figured I might as well show you, starting with the XRS-335C. So the XRS-335 is our super compact variant. As you can see, the box is quite small and it's a plastic chassis. The 335C is perfect for your modern four-wheel drive vehicle where space is a consideration. Being a hideaway unit, it's a very small box. You can tuck it in the kick panel or up behind the glove box and have it nice and out of the way so it doesn't get damaged. Now, of course, the other important inclusion in order for this to function like a radio is the microphone itself, which is the MC670B. It's our brand new microphone specific to Gen 2 XRS radios. And it's worth pointing out, unfortunately, this microphone will not work with the previous generation of XRS Connect radios. The other inclusions in the box with the XRS-335C, magnetic microphone mount. Now, if you've watched any videos on this channel, you've probably heard me talk about how much I love this thing. If you haven't used one before, once you use it, you'll never look back. You've also got your standard radio mounting bracket in the box, the microphone extension lead, your pass-through adapter, and a dual fused power supply cable. Last but not least, all the hardware to make it work. So moving on to the XRS-375C, which is our heavy-duty compact version. Now, you will immediately notice that the main box is a little bit larger than the XRS-335C, and there's a couple of specific reasons why that is the case. Starting with the secondary speaker in the base unit. It also features a metal chassis. Now, the reasons for this, being a heavy-duty version of the XRS range, the XRS-375C with its secondary speaker is ideal for loud, noisy environments such as plant equipment or older four-wheel drives. And in order to get the best benefit out of this secondary speaker, the main box should be exposed, which means we've put it in a robust chassis to ensure that it can handle any knocks or bumps that it might experience. Now, the 375C also includes the same microphone as the 335C, which is our MC670B. Now, the other key difference between the 335 and the 375 is the radio mounting bracket. It's metal and it's far more robust, again, because this radio is designed to be mounted in an exposed location to make use of that secondary speaker. 375 also includes your magnetic microphone bracket, your pass-through adapter, microphone extension cable, and of course, your dual fused power supply. Now, the final difference between the two radios is the XRS-375C has been tested and rated to mil standard 810H, which is resistance to vibration, shock, temperature, and humidity. Being a rugged radio, we know that you guys are going to put it through its paces, and that mil standard 810H rating ensures years of trouble-free performance. Now, that's the key differences between the radios. Where they're the same is with the fantastic audio performance out of the 3-watt speaker in the front of the microphone, the Colour TFT anti-glare display, built-in GPS receiver, and built-in Bluetooth audio. So hopefully this video has helped you decide which model is right for you. If you've got any questions, drop a comment below or head to gme.net.au for more information.